day, viewer, and welcome to Ugly Actions, the platform where we encourage you to take practical, measurable, and consistent steps towards achieving financial freedom and personal development. As usual, thank you for joining us today. Your presence here shows you're serious about taking control of your financial journey, and we're here to support you with information that will help you make better decisions. Today, I want to talk about investing in foreign stocks, a topic many Nigerians hear about but often assume is expensive, complicated, or reserved for those living abroad. The truth is very different, and by the end of this video, you will see how accessible it can be. Before we continue, I need to remind you that I am not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is strictly for your information and entertainment. I recommend you do your own research before acting on anything. And of course, if at any point I mention any company I have an interest in, I'll let you know. Transparency is very important. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification so you don't miss our future videos. We drop content designed to let you grow, learn, and take those ugly actions that lead to long-term success. Now, let's get into it. You can buy foreign stocks while staying right here in Nigeria. And by foreign stocks, I'm talking about those companies you probably know and interact with daily. Think of Apple, makers of iPhone and MacBooks. Think of Meta, owners of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and other powerful platforms. Alphabet, Google's parent company. Nvidia, the tech giants dominating artificial intelligence and graphic chips. And of course, plenty of others across different sectors. These are companies shaping the future of energy, technology, healthcare, entertainment, and more. So having a share, no matter how small, means you are participating in their global success. So how do you do that? It's simpler than you might think. Several companies now offer Nigerians an easy way to buy and hold foreign shares. And they all typically have mobile apps to make the process convenient. The first step is to download the app of the company you wish to use. I personally use Chaka by RiseVest. Once you've downloaded your preferred app, the next step is to create your account and complete your KYC, that is, know your customer. And it usually involves uploading your ID and verifying your basic information. It's for your safety and for the safety of the platform. After your KYC is complete, you can go ahead and fund your account. Most platforms will give you the different options available: card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. And typically, your funds take about 1 business day to reflect on your dashboard. How much do you need to start? Now, here's the part that most people worry about. The good news is that with as little as $5, which is a little less than 7,500 naira, you're good to go. You don't need millions. You don't need to be wealthy. You just need to start and stay consistent. A lot of these apps also allow you to buy fractional shares, which means you don't need to buy a full share of companies like Amazon or Tesla if they are too expensive for you. You can buy a fraction, a piece, and over time it adds up. Now let's talk about dividends, because that's what many people are curious about. When a company pays dividends, your share of those dividends will reflect on your dashboard when it becomes available. You don't need to chase anyone or fill complicated documents. The decision of whether to withdraw or reverse the dividend is yours to make. But if financial freedom and a life of abundance are your goals, and I believe that's why you're watching, then I strongly recommend reinvesting a predetermined percentage of your dividend every time they come. If you can afford to reinvest everything, please do. That's how you build wealth steadily over time, by allowing your money to compound. Remember, investing is a journey. It's not a race or a quick fix. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I enjoy reading your thoughts and help you where I can. Bye for now. See you next time.